So hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna unbox and use this 2-in-1 laptop, that is Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5. It's a Ryzen 7 4700 Indian variant, and tell you about some unbelievable offers that I got with this thing. So as you can see, we got 512 gigs SSD and 8 gigs DDR4 RAM and 14-inch IPS display. So right now you can only buy this variant from Lenovo's own site, as Amazon only was the Ryzen 5 model, and that was without any great offer that Lenovo's own site is offering. So here we unbox this, and we first take out the digital pen. So here's the pen, and it's with the pen holder. I will show you how that pen holder works, and it's very convenient to use. So here's the power brick. To be honest, I already unboxed it before in excitement when it just got here. So you can see all these cables are just tangled, nothing is arranged. Don't mind it. So finally we take out the laptop itself. So here's some paperwork for nobody to read. So here your boy. So it's quite thin actually. Here's the power button, micro SD card slot, USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. It's the exhaust. The charging port, the mic, the HDMI 1.4B port, the USB-C port, audio gear jack. You can see the back. I already set it before, so it ran straight away super fast boot through NVMe drive. So as soon as you fold it, it converts it to a tablet mode. That's super convenient. You can do whatever do you like with this hinge. So here's the pen. It has two buttons. It goes straight in there, and you can attach it to a laptop right there. So now I'm gonna use this pen. You can search whiteboard by writing it down there, or you can just type it. If you want this in half screen, you can do this. Or you can just directly open it from the icon right there. It will open in full screen mode. You can use the button right there to erase anything that you write. Now guys, even if it's 60 Hz, the writing experience is quite good actually. We'll just erase it. Yeah, Lenovo, you made it. This is a Logitech Pebble mouse that I would recommend with this laptop. It's super easy to carry. If you go to property, you can see the specs and the software that comes with it. Now this is an internet speed test. I have connected this with the 300 Mbps 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Let's see. As you can see, that's some amazing Wi-Fi performance with just 3 millisecond ping. So with the 300 Mbps connection, you are already getting 275 Mbps download speed and above 300 Mbps upload speed. You don't need the Wi-Fi 6 if you don't have a router that's supported. Wi-Fi 5 is just fine with this laptop. If we check the viewing angles, it's an IPS display, I would expect some great viewing angles. As you can see, there is no color shift from any angle that you look on it. It's up shot, it's down shot. So here's some multitasking experience. You can run split screen pretty easily. You just have to drag your mouse from the top, put it anywhere you want. Now this split screen works pretty well, especially in tablet mode. Now you can activate your Windows as well as Microsoft Office 2019. As you can see, this Windows is activated. Both for free. You can get Microsoft Office for free. You just have to sign in with the Microsoft account. The offer will get linked to your account. Now here's a bag that you can buy for cheap if you purchase it with this laptop from the Lenovo site or ordered it as well. You can tell it's a very high quality material. It's got a lot of pockets and it's actually waterproof, so your laptop will not get wet if you are stuck in a rain or something like that. I would definitely recommend this. Since you're actually getting a 1500 rupees discount on this, it's actually 2700 to 2800 rupees. I got it for 1200 when I purchased this. So here's some settings that I would recommend to change. First, go to the advanced display settings, adapter properties, color management. Take this, use settings for my device, add it and select ICC profiles sRGB IEC. Click OK. Set it as default profile. Close. So don't get confused, it's my desktop that I'm recording because I already the recording software already installed on my desktop, but it's the same because both are running Windows 10. So the next step is very important, but you first need to install all the Windows updates from here. After it's done, you just need to open the browser, type amd.com. Go to drivers and support. Search your compatible CPU. So in my case it's the Ryzen 7 4700U. So what we are doing is that we are installing the latest graphic drivers for our integrated Vega graphics. This is very important if we want to play games on my laptop with the best optimizations. Download it. Just download and install it. I have already installed it with my laptop. So here comes the best part, those amazing offers that we just talked. So type in Lenovo India. Bearing in mind guys that these offers are only available if you bought the laptop from lenovo.com, not through Amazon. You type in Lenovo India and go to the additional offer details. This PDF will open. It will say August cashback offer. So if we see this, it says you will get a 3000 rupees cashback if you paid with the HDFC or ICICI card within 30 days straight to your bank account. It will post after 30 days. So the eligible laptops include our product, that is the Ideapad Flex 5. There's another offer called back to college offer, BTC offer. I have bought and I will visit this link. Fill in your details. Fill in your MTM number, and that is written on the sticker of your laptop box. Just type there, you can see. I have written mine. So I will search. So here are all the offers that are available. So it says we will get 2-year additional warranty and with the Motorola headset for 10,000 rupees with 13,000, and I have purchased these two, 3-year extended damage protection. It says additional 2-year warranty, and the below offer also says that it is 800 rupees. So and above the offer is 1300 rupees. So we're effectively getting a 10,000 rupees headset for 500 rupees. So now if we search what is this headset for 10,000 rupees, I think it's probably this one, and as you can see it has ANC or automatic noise cancellation. It was 10,000 rupees worth, now it's selling for 5,000, but it's still pretty great, and I am thinking of using this with my PC since my PC Philips headset, it's just outdated. It's 2019, so it's not that old. It's a very good deal. So the other offers, 3-year extended damage protection, worth rupees 7,000. We are getting it for 999. It's think it's a very good deal as I often tend to break my stuff. I didn't find any other offer as I'm using as the free Airtel data, but I don't need that as I already got excited 300 Mbps unlimited data. So these are some other offers that these are actually free. You can buy them. You can generate OTP. You have to enter your number and it will load another form. You have to upload your invoice and all that stuff. After that it will just send you an email after it's done. So here's an email. It's your ticket status with a site link that you can open and track your redemption status. So thanks guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and like the video if you like it, dislike the video if you didn't like it, and please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Peace out.